Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT, and just want to do our draw for our June prize. And again, it was for a free 12-month subscription to HaynesPro. So a big thank you to Joe from Haynes for this particular prize. And again, for any members that uploaded any repair solutions and any good scope scan data. So we had a whole lot of people this month. A special thanks to Jack Mackay for 5 lots of repair solutions, Gary 2 lots, Gary O'Riordan, and Stuart O'Connor, again 2 lots as well. Whole lot of individual ones as well, as listed in this particular post. So a big thank you to all our members. Also for our scan data, Jack again 3 lots of scan data, Gary 2 lots of scan data, and Brad Halse again from scan data. So a big thank you to those members that have been able to share, and you've gone into the draw for this great prize for this month. For June, we'll just draw out a lucky name now. And the winner, this one is Matt Jones from Pure Automotive. So big congratulations, Matt. Matt Jones from Pure Automotive. We'll get this package out to you, mate, and a big thank you for all those members that have gone in for this particular draw. Keep an eye out for our next prize for next month. Again, we'll reward our members that are sharing information, either repair solutions or good scope scan data with us. Thanks again.